In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add links in Confluence. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn any piece of text into a clear, clickable link that points to a web page, another Confluence page, or even an email address. First, open the Confluence page where you want to add a link. At the top right, click Edit to enter the editor. You'll know you're in editing mode when the formatting toolbar appears and your cursor is active on the page. Next, type the words you want to turn into a link. Then highlight that text. Choose a short, descriptive phrase that tells readers exactly where they'll go. Instead of something vague like "click here," use the page or resource name. Clear link text improves accessibility and makes scanning easier for everyone. Now insert the link. In the toolbar, click the link icon. If you prefer shortcuts, press Ctrl+K on Windows or Command+K on Mac. This opens the link dialog so you can specify where your link should point. You have a few options here. To link to a web page, paste the full URL into the field. Confluence will recognize it and set it as a standard external link. To link to another Confluence page, start typing the page name. A list of matching pages will appear, and you can select the correct one. To link to an email address, type the email in the field. Confluence will format it so that clicking opens a new email in the user's default mail app. A quick tip: if you've already highlighted text, pasting a URL directly will often create the link automatically. By the way, if you need quick access to Confluence itself, I've placed a website link right at the top of the description so you can jump in and follow along. Once your destination is set, apply the link by pressing Enter or clicking Insert. You'll see your highlighted text become underlined or styled as a hyperlink, depending on your theme and settings. If something doesn't look right, you can select the text and adjust the link again using the same link icon or shortcut. Finally, save your changes. Click Publish at the top right to make the link live for your teammates. If you close the editor without publishing, your link won't be visible to others, so be sure to finish with Publish. That's all it takes to add links in Confluence. Keep your link text clear, use the shortcut for speed, and publish to save. Thanks for watching.